Hey Jared, Doctor here. Today we'll be doing something
completely different.
I don't know about you, but occasionally urge to go to Burning Man or a festival strikes me. But what would I wear at such occasion? Fortunately, clothing is optional for such events as Burning Man. But what should I cover my junk with when foreign dignitaries such as the Queen walks by?
Buggy! Buggy!
Peasant!
But it doesn't have to happen this way. But what should I cover my junk with? A festival hat, of course.
Buggy! Nice loincloth. What?
Aren't those very expensive? That is why today we're making a festival hat DIY for cheap. To make this cheap DIY Burning Man or festival hat, all the materials are available in the links below. We will turn something that looks like this into something that looks like this. For the first step, we're gonna remove the tassel from the Chinese military hat. Unfortunately, the insignia for the Chinese army cannot be easily removed. If you find a way to remove the insignia easily, please let me know in the comment section below. Next, we shall hot glue the pink sequins fabric around the main body of the hat. Remember, you do not need to get everything perfect. You can fix the mistake later by covering it up. Note that you may have to cut the fabric in order to fit the curve of the hat. This is because the sequins fabric piece is rectangular, whereas the hat is curved. After that, we shall hot glue the blue fabric as the top covering for the hat. Be sure to use plenty of hot glue. To ensure that the cut out blue fabric fits, please use the top of the hat as the template. Hot glue the blue sequenced fabric onto the bill of the hat. Trace the shape of the bill onto the blue sequenced fabric. Be cautious that the bill is curved, therefore creating a larger cutout may be advantageous. At this point, I accidentally switched to 720p 240 frames per second, thus resulting in this low resolution uncroppable mess. This is the actual speed of the video, by the way. Cut the gold sequin fabric to a rectangle and place it squarely on where the emblem is. Start gluing the edge of the fabric. Refrain from hot gluing the corners. Yet, fold the corners of the gold sequenced fabric to create a fan-like shape. Cut away the folded corners and apply hot glue to secure the rest. Cover the joints between the two pink fabric, thus obliterating any mistakes that you may have made. Now you may hot glue the pyramid-shaped pieces to cover up any mistakes made when you glue the blue sequin fabric onto the bill. You may do it individually or glue all of the pyramid-shaped pieces onto a strip of fabric beforehand. Here I'm gluing the bar-shaped rhinestone onto the edge of the bill. Afterwards, I hot glue the blue beads onto the edge of the bill. With the outer rim of the bill completed, it's time to decorate the middle, including gluing on the whirly decorations. Although the decorations does come with a sticky back, it is not strong enough. Therefore, the need to hot glue it is required. Here, I'm hot gluing the pyramid-shaped pieces onto the top of the hat, hiding any imperfection created when I glued the blue topping fabric next to the pink sequenced ones. Next, hot glue the new emblem onto the hat or not. It's your choice. Now, start gluing the various size clear rhinestone on the outer edge of the gold fan-shaped sequence cloth. In my case, I had 2 rings of them. This still footage shows what I didn't film on camera. Afterwards, I'm placing a green central stone on the hat. This still footage shows what I didn't film on camera. Here, I'm gluing on the outer layer of the clear rhinestone. Be sure to alternate between each side to avoid any misalignment of the circle that you are trying to form. With the outer layer of the clear rhinestone done, it's time to glue on the elongated, teardrop-shaped darker blue rhinestone to make the appearance a wing. Again, alternate between sides when gluing them down. Cut the gold sequins fabric into strips and arrange them at regular intervals. Where you made the most mistakes when gluing the pink sequins fabric onto the hat, drape the triangular piece over the blue fabric on the top of the hat and glue it down. Repeat. In this still, I placed a green disc above the intersection of various triangular pieces. Finally, I hot glued the pyramid-shaped gold pieces on the top edge of the entire hat. And that concludes the tutorial. Here are photos of people who are satisfied with their own DIY festival hat. My buddy Sam, my aunt Sayuri, my cousin Rio, my friend Kira, Napoleon Bonaparte.
Don't invade Russia, kids.
And I can't remember the name of this guy. Jose something? If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and comment. And hit that bell icon for notifications on future videos. If you disagree with any of my expressed opinions, then please write to your heart's content in the comment section below.